Have you ever felt like the more a woman likes you, the further she pulls away? You've had deep conversations. The chemistry feels real. Then suddenly, silence. You're left staring at a seen receipt, wondering if you imagined everything. Most men assume they messed up. They think she lost interest. But what if her silence isn't rejection? What if it's intensity? Today, we're breaking down the psychology behind why some women pull away from men they genuinely like. This isn't about games. It's about fear, emotional protection, and how people respond to vulnerability. Understanding this can stop you from overreacting and pushing things in the wrong direction. To understand it, you have to understand emotional risk. For many people, strong feelings aren't exciting. They're uncomfortable. They bring vulnerability. They bring the possibility of getting hurt. Reason 1. Fear of losing control. When someone feels a strong connection, it can overwhelm them. If they're used to being emotionally guarded, that intensity triggers a need to step back. It's not always about you. It's about them trying to regulate their emotions. Reason 2. Needing clarity. Sometimes distance is how people think clearly. Instead of getting carried away, they pull back and ask themselves, is this real? Is this right for me? That pause isn't always rejection. It's reflection. Now here's where most men go wrong. When faced with silence, they react impulsively. They send multiple messages, they demand answers, they assume the worst. That reaction creates pressure and often pushes her further away. A stronger response is different. Give space, stay composed, focus on your own life instead of chasing reassurance. Now, let's be clear. Silence is not always a good sign. Sometimes it does mean loss of interest, distraction, or different priorities. The key is patterns, not moments. If she consistently shows interest, invests time, and then occasionally pulls back, it may be emotional processing. But if she's consistently distant and unresponsive, it's likely disengagement. So, what should you do? Don't panic. Give space. Stay respectful. Keep your self-respect intact. Attraction grows in balance, not pressure. Focus on your purpose, your routine, your stability. If she comes back, you're grounded. If she doesn't, you didn't lose yourself trying to hold on. Real connection isn't built through chasing. It's built through mutual effort, clarity, and consistency. And the right person won't leave you guessing where you stand.